Craving a warm, fluffy breakfast that's quick, simple, and incredibly delicious? Today, we're making soft and fluffy banana pancakes using ripe bananas and simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. These pancakes are naturally sweet, golden on the outside, and wonderfully tender inside. They're perfect for breakfast, weekend brunch, or a cozy morning with family. Let's get started. You'll need 2 ripe bananas. Prepare 2 large eggs. You'll also need 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Prepare half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon for warm flavor. You'll also need a small pinch of salt. Add half a cup of milk. Prepare 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You'll need a little butter or cooking oil for the pan. For serving, prepare maple syrup, fresh banana slices, berries, chopped nuts, or powdered sugar. Start by peeling the ripe bananas and placing them into a large mixing bowl. Mash the bananas thoroughly with a fork until they become mostly smooth. A few small banana pieces are perfectly fine because they add extra texture and flavor. Add the eggs to the mashed bananas. Pour in the milk and vanilla extract. Whisk everything together until the mixture is smooth and well combined. Now add the flour, baking powder, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Gently mix the ingredients until a thick pancake batter forms. Don't overmix the batter because that can make the pancakes less fluffy. Let the batter rest for about 5 minutes. This short resting time allows the ingredients to combine and helps create softer pancakes. While the batter rests, heat a non-stick skillet over medium-low heat. Add a small amount of butter and let it melt across the surface. Pour a small scoop of batter into the center of the pan. Cook until small bubbles begin to appear on the surface and the edges look slightly set. This usually takes about 2 minutes. Carefully flip the pancake using a spatula. Cook the other side for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown and cooked through. Repeat the process with the remaining batter. Add a little more butter to the pan whenever needed. Keep the heat at medium-low so the pancakes cook evenly without burning. As the pancakes cook, you'll notice a beautiful golden color and a delicious banana aroma filling the kitchen. Stack the warm pancakes on a serving plate. Now it's time for the best part, the toppings. Add fresh banana slices over the pancake stack. Drizzle generously with warm maple syrup. Add a few fresh berries for color and freshness. Sprinkle chopped walnuts or pecans over the top for a delicious crunch. For an extra special finish, add a light dusting of powdered sugar. You can also add a spoonful of Greek yogurt for extra creaminess. These banana pancakes are soft, fluffy, naturally sweet, and incredibly satisfying. The ripe bananas add wonderful flavor while keeping the pancakes tender and moist. They're perfect with a hot cup of coffee, tea, or a fresh glass of orange juice. For an extra indulgent version, add chocolate chips or a little peanut butter to the batter. You can also prepare the pancakes ahead of time and store them in the refrigerator for an easy breakfast during the week. When you're ready to enjoy them, simply warm them in a skillet or microwave. The secret to great banana pancakes is using ripe bananas and avoiding overmixing the batter. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create a delicious homemade breakfast that the whole family will love. So grab those ripe bananas and give this easy recipe a try. If you enjoyed these fluffy banana pancakes, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to FlavorMint for more easy and delicious recipes from around the world. Turn on notifications so you never miss our next recipe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next delicious recipe.